Hi viewers, welcome to Money Manthan TV. Today we are with C. Hanuman sir. Today's topic is fake income tax deduction claims in India. Sir is going to give overview of this. Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, is it true, sir?
Yes, recently we have seen that in, I think, some 4 to 5 months,
Okay.
we are seeing that there are many income tax department has taken tough action against the fake claims made for deductions and exemptions.
Okay.
I think I think they have identified around 90,000 fake claims are there for the financial year 2024-25.
Okay.
And out of this, after verification and after action by the income tax department, nearly 40,000 people has revised their returns and paid 1,000 crores as tax.
Hmm.
So what is now what is in the minds of the department is they not only this one, there are so many people who are claiming fake claims. See, there are deductions allowable under income tax in the old tax regime 2 years back. That was if you pay LIC, education loan, housing loan, PPF, the donations, rents,
Hmm.
and insurance premiums and health insurance, and also some other payments were eligible for deduction. That is eligible for deduction because that is on that the taxpayer need not pay any tax.
Okay.
So for this, the people claimed in such a way, and HRA, house rent allowance, they have totally misused these sections. These people has filed, though they didn't pay any insurance, health insurance. They claimed some policy number. They give the details. This is the amount paid towards health insurance. They have not paid education loan. They don't have education loan, but they have claimed that education loan is paid. Interest is paid. They
Okay.
don't have housing loan. They have paid housing loan. Interest is paid. Installment is paid.
Hmm.
They have not purchased electric vehicle, but they claimed it as interest on interest on loan taken for electric vehicle purchase. All this happened,
Hmm.
and also housing rent allowance, especially employees. They are eligible if only they pay rent, and they have declared that they have paid rent to so and so people with their PAN numbers. Actually, it was not paid at all.
Hmm.
All these things happened. For this, the fraudulent practices where taxpayers misreport the income means reporting the wrong income. Actually, they are liable to pay tax. Suppose a person is liable to pay as India income 25 lakhs, and their TDS of 5 lakhs. So he has to pay total 5 lakhs is not sufficient. Sometimes he may have to pay another 1-2 lakhs extra.
Hmm.
But by making all these deductions and exemptions, fake claims, he was taking away refund of after 5 lakhs. He is taking refund of 4 to 5, 3, 4 lakhs like that
Okay.
by making false claims. So that is misreporting of income, showing more expenses, and ineligible deductions to reduce the taxable income and increase the refund. That was the objective.
Sir, a small question, sir. All the data will be with with them, right, sir? Sir,
Pardon?
how all the data will be with the income tax department?
Yes.
How can they claim like a fake, sir?
See, what happened was earlier the department was not cross verifying that. They were trusting the people who have file, smile, and go.
Hmm.
Out of 100, only 3 returns were selected for verification. 3, maximum 6, 5 to 6. 94 was allowed to accept it. They have misused this lenience by claiming false claims.
Okay.
And majority of these claims are made by employees and people who earn money, but they doesn't want to pay the tax. See, what happens is one person, nobody wants to pay tax because that is out of his own pocket.
Yes.
You can reduce it, but in the proper way with tax planning. but not with fake claims.
Okay.
These fake claims is giving a lot of burden on the taxpayers now. So the income tax department has intensified crackdown on such practices with the help of artificial intelligence, data analytics, and annual information statements to find out the discrepancies.
Okay.
Annual information statement received from 36 departments, data analytics, and this one artificial intelligence. Earlier, artificial intelligence was not available to the income tax department. Now it is available in the income tax department. They are finding even small, what we say, even if a mismatch of 5 to 10 rupees also, or 100,000 also, it is reporting.
Hmm.
Now, because of that reason, many discrepancies are found out and asked to explain the reasons for discrepancy and how. Now what is happening is what to do. See,
And what are the main fake income tax deduction claims, sir?
the main fake income tax claim was that is fake income tax claims were made under sections 80C, that is insurance premiums, 80D house rent allowance, and many HRA, leave travel allowance, and I'll tell you one more other sections also. Section 80C, PPF, equity linked savings schemes, life insurance premiums, and 80D section, deduction for health insurance.
Hmm.
Fake medical insurance claims were made, and non-existent also medical insurance claim made. 1013A house rent allowance for salaried individuals, fake rent receipts were produced, and other sections which were not covered was 80G, that is for donations, 80GC for donations to charitable organizations and political parties. And other sections claimed was 80E, 80EE, 80EA, 80EB, that is interest on education loans, housing loans, electric vehicle loans, and fake loan documents were claimed. And another was 80DDB, that is expenditure spent for treatment of critical illness, dependent critical illness. That was available, that is also misused. 80GGA, scientific research. If any amount paid to scientific research institute, that is available as expenditure, and that was also mostly misused. These were the ways adopted by the taxpayers to reduce their taxable income and increase their income tax refund.
What is the section 80C, sir?
80C is deduction for this maximum limit is 1,50,000. Maximum limit is 1,50,000. This covers life insurance premiums and contributions to provident fund, public provident fund, equity linked savings schemes, life insurance and housing loan installments. All these are covered under the 80C. That maximum limit is 1,50,000.
And what is this 80D gives, sir?
80D is health insurance premiums.
Okay.
Health insurance premiums and that is 25,000 for family or self and 50,000 for senior citizens.
Okay.
Without taking any health insurance premium, they claimed that I have paid premium of 25,000 and 50,000, and they claimed that the expenditure. Fake medical insurance claims were made.
Okay. And this section 10/13A?
1013A is for house rent allowance. This is for employees, those who are staying away from their own home for employment purpose. They are eligible for deduction on the rent paid to outsiders.
Okay.
So what they have done is, instead of paying, they are staying their own house or some rent, low rent also, but they have made fake receipts without bank transfers. There was no bank transfer, fake receipts and claimed as expenditure. And that was also came to light when verified with the PAN numbers given by the 10 owners. The owners are replying that no, we are not received any rent from this person.
And what is this 80G by 80GGC, sir?
80GGC is 80G for donations to charitable purpose and organization political parties.
Okay.
Any amount given to political parties are also exempted if it is registered with Election Commission of India. And these people, those that produce the receipts of political parties, which never filed any return with the election. Of course, they are registered with Election Commission, but never filed any details of the Election Commission of India.
Okay.
Nothing but fake claim.
And what is this 80?
80 interest on education loans, interest on home loans,
Okay.
and interest on electric vehicles. See, the income tax department has given to encourage purchase of electric vehicles. They have given advance deduction on vehicle loan taken for purchase of electric vehicles.
Okay. E,
So that-
sir, 80E,
80E and both are like that.
both are same. Okay.
Housing loan, interest on housing loan, education loan, and electric vehicle loans.
Okay. What is the section 80 double DB?
B. That is treatment for critical illness.
Okay.
Means dependent senior citizen, their parents are there. For their treatment, you have to spend something. For that, if you pay actually the actual amount will be restricted to some amount. Suppose you have spent 1 lakh, the eligibility amount is 50,000 only. So they produce a bill of 1 lakh, they are eligible for 50,000. They reduce it like that. This is what happened.
And this 80 double GA.
That is scientific research.
Okay.
Any contribution made to scientific research is allowed as expenditure. To encourage research and innovation, government has allowed the people to contribute to scientific organizations which are registered with central government. Only are eligible.
Hmm.
They are eligible for whatever the donation given to those organizations is eligible for deduction.
How are the fair deduction claims, sir?
There are some agencies, or there are some consultants, or there are some intermediaries who will provide all these evidences or details, who are eligible or are not eligible, and who can be considered for payment and giving bills, all this. And these people has contacted those people, and those people has filed the returns. During this period, you can say many what we call sincere practitioners, sincere professionals, have faced setback. What happened is when you go to sincere taxpayer consultant, will say, no, you have to pay this tax, so we don't accept it. But the person who is encouraging this fraudulent fake claims will say, no, you give me this percentage of refund, I'll do everything for you. See, these people have made like that, promising high refunds for a commission. And also there were refund agents.
Okay.
See, what happens is there is no condition that the person has to approach a professional.
Okay.
And all these people, those who are not bound by any professional ethics or professional organizations, just like tax advisors or tax representatives, they don't have any regulation.
Okay.
So they encourage all these people, and sometimes even the people who doesn't know any income tax at all, and they are claiming the refunds, all these things. Generally, those professions who are regulated under institutes or anybody never not encourage that much. But those people are not regulated at all. They have made all this mess.
What is this employers and employee do, sir?
And what happens is every employee is eligible for claiming exemption for deduction for medical, long-term leave travel allowance, HR
Okay.
allowance, all these things. So for this, what will you do? He has to submit the bills to employer, means HR department, and they have to accept it. And based on that undertaking, they have allowed TDS, means they have reduced the TDS, or they have allowed it, issued Form 16. Based on Form 16, the refunds were issued.
Okay.